Hi to my jubilant sisters, it's me, Emma, and originally I was going to be doing a glamorous holiday makeup tutorial for you all, but I took a trip to Michigan to my fiance's family farm, and I wasn't expecting to come, so I just packed up as little makeup as I could so that I could just look as nice as I could, but I'm not going to any fancy parties. This is a very low-key look, and because why not? We're gonna do the makeup in the barn with some hay. So let's go. So one of my new favorite things is to wear as little foundation as concealer as possible. So I got this NYX palette, which was about $12 at Ulta. And I am using the color corrector just for my concealer and my foundation. I'm not even putting any foundation on because it's just quick and easy and it's really easy to travel with. So I'm gonna start with yellow and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of these two peachy colors. The yellow combats purplish darkness under my eyes and the peachy pink just blends more into my skin tone. So I am going to do that and I'll show you how it looks as soon as I'm finished. So I'm putting powder on and as you can see, the powder's getting all over my jacket, but don't worry. It'll just rub off. And I also want to say that while I'm setting my makeup, I'm actually avoiding my cheeks because I'm about to put on some more cream product, which is a cream blush onto my cheeks, and I don't want it to mess up the powder. So, on to the next. Okay, so the next makeup that I'm gonna put on is a cheek and lip color. It's a 2-in-1 makeup product, and I highly recommend this type of thing for when you're traveling because less is more, right? So this is by the brand Morphe, and it's called Hibiscus Hottie. And I think I said in my last video that I like orange on myself, so I'm just gonna put on some orange blush and lipstick. And right now I look kind of funny, but that's okay. So now that I have on my Hibiscus Hottie on my cheeks and lips, I am gonna go in with a little bit of lip liner, and this is by Smashbox. This is called Pinch Me, and I used this in my last video as well. So since while I travel, I don't like to bring a lot of products, one thing that I do like to bring is an eyelash curler because I'm not gonna be using any eyeshadow, so this will just help make my lashes look a little more full. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And this is the Shu Uemura eyelash curler, which is very popular. It's kind of like a cult classic. So now I'm just going to groom my brows a little bit with a Benefit brow gel. This is very simple. I don't do a lot to my brows. I just tweeze them and fill them in a little bit because I find that people have gone really crazy with the whole brow trend. And in my opinion, brows are really not that big of a deal. You just want to make sure there aren't too many stray hairs or bald patches. That's about it. Okay, so I'm actually almost done, but before we finish, I want to put on a little bit of eyeliner. This is just a liquid black eyeliner. It's very, very simple, and I'm just gonna line my eyes very subtly, just to make it look like I have more of a face. It's not anything trendy. I'm just weaving the eyeliner into the lash line. Okay, so actually, I am going to use this eyeliner for one more step, and that is I'm going to put a very subtle amount under my eyes because I'm actually not going to be putting mascara on my bottom lashes. That's only something I do once in a while. A lot of the time, I just do this instead. I just put on a little bit of eyeliner under my eyes to balance out the top and bottom of the mascara. I don't like a lot of mascara. So now, last but not least, I'm going to use this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara that I got recently. And before I even apply it, I'm just gonna take some tissue and actually get off some of that excess mascara product because otherwise I find that it becomes way too clumpy. So now I'm just gonna do my mascara. Okay, so my makeup is now done. So as you can see, I used a very small selection of products because I just don't like bringing a lot of stuff with me when I travel. One last thing I wanted to share is Pond's Cold Cream. This stuff is $5. I got it at Walgreens. It works as a makeup remover and a face cleanser and a moisturizer. So I highly recommend buying this if you're traveling. Again, $5. I even use it as a hand cream. It's just a very lightly scented cream. And I bought it because I also didn't want to bring eye cream and face cream and serums. I just didn't want to bring any of it. So I just bought it when I was in Michigan at Walgreens. And the reason I even know of this product being good is because when I was in makeup school, my teacher swore by it. She said, I use Pond's Cold Cream every night. That's all I use. And for me, it's not something I would normally pick out unless I was traveling, but now that I do have it, I've been loving it. I use it to take off my makeup at night and to moisturize. So yes, Pond's Cold Cream. And there you have it. Thank you so much, Jubilance. I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays.